Experiments performed in rodents, notably in mice, are vital to the development of new treatments for human and animal disease, but also for teaching us how the mammalian body and brain function. It is compulsory that we as scientists treat the mice in our experiments with dignity and respect, applying the 3R principles of refine, reduce, and replace. These principles aren't only relevant for the experimental mice, but also for the breeding mice, in particular the mouse mom, who's the unspoken workhorse of biomedical research, who day in and day out cares for and nourishes the mice that will become experimental subjects.
Breeding practices in mice are typically evaluated based on efficiency and productivity. What strategies will produce the highest number of offspring in the shortest period of time?
And while high reproductive success is generally equated with overall fitness, we struggle to find sufficient evidence that systematically evaluated the health of breeding mouse moms as a function of reproductive experience.
And so we asked, is the mouse mom's physiology and behavior the same after 1, 2, or 4 rounds of pregnancy and lactation?
This is particularly important because female mice have the capacity to become pregnant immediately after giving birth and can therefore be both pregnant and lactating at the same time. The goal of our research is to look at these mouse moms from all different angles and determine what impact, if any, multiple cycles of pregnancy and lactation has on maternal health. We are examining her metabolic health, her nutritional status, and how she interacts with her offspring.
And by gathering this information about what life as a mouse mom looks like, we'll be in a position to make recommendations on how we could improve breeding strategies and maybe give a little something back to our mouse moms.